How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Yamaha keyboard to the FL Studio mobile. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, get yourself an OTG cable. Basically, it's the on-to-go cable, and then it will simply look something like this. Basically, the Type B cable is supported for most keyboards out there, including Yamaha. And then you could directly plug it onto your phone using a USB Type-C or a regular USB cable right here. So just plug it onto your mobile devices, and then right after, just open up the FL Studio mobile and you should be good to go from there. Now, if you're using something like the MIDI out, which is another option for us, you could just directly plug this onto the back of the keyboard. And then from there, you then want to plug it onto your phone. It will simply look something like this, but on this specific example, it's just on the computer. But of course, you want to plug it onto your mobile devices. And so guys, those are the ways in order for us to connect our Yamaha keyboard to the FL Studio mobile. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.